Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simplykay back with another video. Welcome back. This is the first cash stuffing for the month of March. We are going to be stuffing $830. We have a few updates but nothing crazy. So if you are new, thank you for tuning in. Welcome. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. And without further ado, we're gonna hop right into it. The scripture of the video is from Psalms 139, verse 13 through 14. It's, "For you formed my inward parts, you covered me in my mother's womb. I will praise you, for I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Marvelous are your works." I pray that you'll know how special you are. The Lord knows that when he made you, he created a one-of-a-kind treasure. I pray you'll know it too. And it says, "Resolve never to criticize or downgrade yourself, but instead rejoice that you are fearfully and wonderfully made." Okay, so first we are going to be starting with our new addition, and it won't be here for long. I will be using it, but it won't be in the videos for long. But this is what I've been using for my wallet. So I'm going to take out the dollars, and I have an extra 5 over here, and I am taking out these. If you have been around for a little bit, you probably have seen these before. What I did was just cut off the whole punch part and then stuffed them in my wallet. So for now I'm using these, but I have something else coming that will be of use in the next video. So we're going to start with the wallet, and we're going to start with gas. First, we're going to get our money out. And then, just so you know, if you are new, my videos are chatty. I'm going to talk to you guys while I stuff my envelopes. It's something I've always done. So if you don't like people that talk in their videos, I'm probably not the person to watch. Got some comments that the rambling and talking is something that people don't like, so that is present. So if you don't like that, my videos may not be for you. So gas is going to be getting $45. I actually filled up at BJ's the other day, so my tank is full currently, so this will just be in there. Date night is going to be getting $20. We actually went on our first date since the baby over the weekend, and it was really nice. We went to movies to go see Creed 3, and it is so good. It was really good. Shopping is going to be getting $20, and then food is going to be getting $15. So next we're gonna go into our coins. Actually, I don't think I have any. Oh, I have a few. I'm doing no spend March, so a lot of things are limited. I think I've only spent money on 3 days, which is pretty good for me. Usually I'm spending stuff on Amazon all the time. So we have $262. All right, $363. And then we'll go into the dollars. We have $1, $2, $3, $4, $5 that we're going to be adding in. And there's a total of $8 in here, so we're going to have a total of $13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And as you can see, I did switch out what I put these in. This is my own savings challenge envelope that I make. It is available on my Etsy shop. I do sell them in black and white, and then I also sell them with the envelopes, which you'll see later when I stuff my challenge, savings challenge. So now we're gonna get into our high priorities. Birthdays and gifts. Ooh, birthdays and gifts is going to be getting $10. Have one birthday for March. We have $50 in here, and we're adding in 10, so we'll have 60. 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60. Alright. Car maintenance has $10 in it. It's getting 15, so we will have 25, 10, 20, 25. Emergency fund has 40, it's getting 15, so we should have 55, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So just an announcement, if you don't already know, if you're new, I am pretty much focusing on debt. So that is why the videos for the cash stuffings have been minimal. I plan on only really doing one actual big cash stuffing for the month, unless I have like an excess amount of money coming in for that month for some reason. But I am going to be putting other budget videos out there so that it's not just one budget video a month. So not sure. I think I might do some things on like grad school and paying off student debt, and there's a whole lot of other budget topics, so just stay tuned for that. But I just want to let you guys know. All right, next we have grad school. Grad school has $325 in here, and it's going to be getting $300. So we'll have a total of $625 in here. That'll be deposited, and then I'll be able to make a payment towards my summer semester. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 550, 570, 590, 610, 20, 625. So I'm actually going to put this all to the side because I am going to deposit it. So next we have medical dental. Medical dental has $25 in it. We're going to be putting 20 in. So we have 45, 20, 40, 45. I did get some blood work done and had a couple appointments, so some money came out of that. Self-care has $10 in here, and we're adding in 20. So we have 30, 20, 25, 30. It's not correct. Christmas has $40. We are adding in 15. We got 10, 5, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55. Which is not bad. For March. Gonna start trying to put a little bit more towards that one. Vacation has 110. We're just adding in 10. So we should have 120. 50, 70, 90, 100, 110, 115, 120. And I'll be adding a little bit more to that one too. So as soon as I have time to like sit down, I'm going to figure out, since I'm only going to be doing one stuffing, how much money is going to go in certain ones so I can still meet all of my goals. Sally Mae is going to be getting $250. If you do not follow me on Instagram, my current balance is on the loan number 3 that we're trying to pay off is $8,128.86. We're adding in $250 today, and then we'll have the next check, and then I also should have some more money because I submitted my tuition reimbursement at my job, so I should be getting that money back to go towards it as well. So our April balance should come down quite a bit. Now we're going to get into our low priorities. Hubby's getting 10. He's racking up. This is just like money for fun things, like little date nights and stuff, nothing serious. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. So that's exciting. Be able to get him some stuff. Fun money is getting 10. P.O. Box has 30 in it. It's getting 5. So we have 35, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And I'm actually trying to make this video a little bit quick because I actually have to go to work tonight. Simplykay is getting 10. I just bought some new vinyl. I just shipped out an order today. Thank you guys so much who have been ordering from my Etsy shop. I am planning on coming out with some new stuff, but just bear with me. I'm really, really busy these days. Textbooks is going to be getting 5. My new class just started, so the busyness is just never ending, and I have clinical hours I have to do as well, so filming content, taking care of a baby, taking care of myself, going to work, school. It's a lot. Giving has 15, and we're going to be putting in 5. So we're going to have 10, 15, 20. And then we are done stuffing our envelopes. So we're going to go to our savings challenge. So this is my other savings challenge bundle set that I do offer in pink and black. I told you guys in the last video I was going to switch to the black because I'm kind of converting everything to black, honestly. March has nothing in it right now. If we go back, for those of you who are new, January has 50 and February has 50. So we have 100 total. And then today's check, we're adding in $30 into March, and we'll probably add something else at the end of the month too. This is just like extra money, like if I'm budgeting and I don't really have anywhere for it to go per se, I can always put it towards debt, but I take into account that I kind of want to do the savings challenge, so any extra money that I may get if I under budget usually, so I put that in my savings challenge. So we have $130 in that, which is good. And now we have this extra 5 that I think I will be putting towards shopping, because when I'm out, it just gives me some more wiggle room to grab some things, something that I might need, especially at Target trips. I broke my no March because I went to Target. Bad idea. If you're trying to save money, do not go to Target. So that is that. That's all I have for you guys for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the other content that is to come. And as always, if you want to stay up to date with a lot of the things that I'm doing behind the scenes that I don't post on YouTube, or just like quick updates, follow me on Instagram and you will see all of that. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.